Train ke Santo Timur akan tiba di platform 1. Train towards Santo Timur will arrive at platform 1.